Jinx, Spam, Wedgies, Vic Reeves and the gang rep.
We are sorry for this break in programming. We will be back shortly. We are sorry for this break in programming. We will be back shortly. We are sorry for this break in programming. We will be back shortly. It has caught our attention that people are seeing a bright orange beam in the sky. The beam has caused this place to be brighter and hotter than usual, with summer-like temperatures being up to 48 degrees. This temperature is really abnormal regarding that it is February. We advise people to remain indoors at all times until further notice. Please wait until we gather more information on this abnormal situation. We now have more information about the orange beam in the sky. It turns out it now looks like a gray circle with the same orange beam, but with horns surrounding it. We will now display an image of what it looks like. Although we are not sure if this is a planet or a giant spaceship that will kill us, we advise you to do these steps in case of emergency. Seal all openings into your home. Go to a closed space. Lowest point or a basement at the building you are in. Grab the following necessary supplies such as food, water, documents, ID, cash or credit card, electronics, phone chargers, clothes, first aid kit, batteries and hand crank or battery-powered radio in case of emergency. We will continue to be in air to give more information to you guys. Please wait until we gather more information. Attention everybody listening on this. It turns out that the beam that was in the sky issued 3 minutes ago turns out to be a planet-sized spaceship named Unicron. Unicron is a planet devourer that has already devoured Mercury, Venus and Mars, and its next target is Earth. How this spaceship spaceship devours planets is by putting a lot of black particles that are 25 centimeters around the globe. Well, we have no time for explanation
Due to technical difficulties, you must prepare for a peaceful death. Phone all your loved ones and friends and say goodbyes. Gather all your loved ones, friends, family and pets, and prepare for your death. Pray to our God, if you have a religion. If it makes you comfortable, close your eyes. Unicron is expected to start devouring our planet within the next 25 minutes. There is nothing we can do to stop Unicron to destroying the world as this spaceship is so strong. Do not tell young children about this event, and keep them as comfortable at all times, especially in an event like this. That is all from Channel 4. We hope you have a peaceful end and God save the